For today's video, we are going to cover a dozen of the best Blender add-ins and tools that I believe can help you improve your modeling workflow. Procedural Alleys. With this new amazing Blender customized procedural, you can create an alleys environment with a few clicks. You can make fully customized procedural alleys in a few seconds. Sanctus Library. Sanctus Library and is one of the most impressive procedural libraries for Blender that is growing each month with additional features and assets. The library currently has 323 procedural materials and keeps growing, with free periodic updates. The library also includes many geometry nodes generators. With easy material baking tool included, this will allows you to use the materials on other software like Unreal Engine and also use multiple materials on a scene without slowing down the viewport. Simply Cloth Pro. With this add-in you can create cloths faster and easier than before. You don't need a lot of previous knowledge with the cloth physics settings. You can simply select a presets and quickly adjust them to your needs. The add-in is just a help tool to set up quickly and test your cloth objects in Blender. Human Generator brings photorealistic humans to Blender in easy way. It also includes hairstyles, clothing, and more. Human Generator is a versatile tool to create human characters in Blender, with a lot of control over the creation process from gender, ethnicity, footwear, and everything in between.